Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing the Louis Vuitton MURAKAMI Rosalie wallet. Now this is in the blue colorway, but it also comes in a hot pink and a green. I believe the green is called matcha, but it doesn't fully look like a matcha to me. It is a little bit more neon. Now our boxing did come with a lot of the packaging. I'm really excited to see if we actually get the tissue paper inside, but at least we do have the ribbon and we do have the onion head. So on the back, of course, it does have the multicolor. So that is a really cute addition. I'm glad they're kind of getting their act together. Now, because it's a smaller box, we do get less ribbon, but that's okay. Let me know in the comments below if you have any ideas of what to do with these ribbons. I think they're so beautiful and I would love to repurpose them. All right, let's go ahead and get into our wallet. Ta-da! Okay, we don't have any tissue paper and it looks like we even have some like dirt on it, so that's not great. But let's go ahead and look inside. So I assume that this was a return because I was able to purchase it after the fact. Now, I am not angry about that. I'm actually pretty thankful that, there are some returns coming in and it gives some of the rest of us that didn't have the foresight to do pre-sales or the access to do it an opportunity to get some pieces. Now, I have previously unboxed the Rosalie coin purse on the Fashion Try-On, and this was my leading favorite. I ordered it in the cream colorway and I really liked it. I thought it was really special and a really nice layout. I think the leather is really soft, and especially because it is leather, it's going to be a little bit more valuable to me. That being said, it is pretty expensive. It's about $600, I believe. I will put all the information in the description below, but I think it's just the perfect orientation. And if you're not focused neurotically on how small the actual entire piece could be, like I am, then it's actually a really nice piece. It is really soft, if you can see that. It's like kind of already broken in for you. And wow, I really like the blue color. Seeing it in person, I like it so much more. Now let's go ahead and look on the inside. So as with any Rosalie, this is the overall design. So you do have a zip pocket right in the front, which, as you know, is part of my criteria for the best small leather goods, because you can put something that you don't want to lose in here, like an earring that you take off or a Claritin, just all of those little things that you don't want to lose. It does have a slight opening, but I'm not too worried about that. Now, let's see. It does, of course, come with two little information cards. It is calfskin on the exterior and the interior, so good to know. And this is the model number, M14085. Okay, now this is the money shot, that colorful interior. That is the piece that makes it so special for this collection. And honestly, I really like that it's inside, because I do think that the Murakami, needed a little modernization, and this, in my opinion, was a really smart way to do so. So you can't really tell. It's kind of like business on the outside, party on the inside. Not exactly business, because it is like hot blue. Anyway, you do have a slot back here, and you do have a slot on the front, and then you have this main open compartment, which again, I just think is really smart. Like it's great layout. Now on the back, you don't have any slots or anything, so everything is protected inside, which could be a hit or miss. And then it is actually pretty thin. So I think the white one that I tried earlier actually was a little thicker. So I don't know if this material is just a little bit more relaxed or what have you, but overall, I think it's a great purchase. I'm really excited to use this. Of course, we will continue our small leather goods hunt, because I'm always looking for the next best, but this gets pretty close. Now, one last detail to mention is you do have the Louis Vuitton Murakami stamp on the inside. So it does say 20-year anniversary Murakami, and you have all of those 4 icons. So you have the cherry blossom, you have the panda, you have the cherries, and then you have the onion head. It's pretty interesting to me that the cherry blossom was in purple and not in pink, but let me know if that bothers you too. All right, thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.